If your home never feels truly clean, no matter how much time you spend, you're probably doing it the hard way. In this video, I'll show you 15 simple cleaning hacks that will save you hours and make your home look professionally cleaned. Hack number 1, let's start in the kitchen. Grease buildup is one of the biggest problems, especially on cabinets. Instead of scrubbing for 20 minutes, mix dish soap with warm water and a little baking soda. Apply it with a microfiber cloth and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Then wipe, and the grease comes off easily. Hack number 2. If your mirrors always have streaks, you're probably using too much product. Spray lightly and use a dry microfiber cloth. And here's the trick: clean in an S-shaped motion instead of circles. Hack number 3. Baseboards collect dust very quickly, but you don't need to scrub them. Use a damp microfiber cloth and run it along the edges. For extra speed, attach a cloth to a mop and clean while standing. Hack number 4. Water stains on shower glass can be very stubborn. Mix vinegar and water in a 1-to-1 ratio. Spray it on the glass, wait about 5 minutes and wipe it off with a squeegee for a clear, streak-free finish. Hack number 5. You don't need harsh chemicals to clean your oven. Make a paste with baking soda and water, apply it inside the oven and leave it overnight. The next day, wipe it off easily. Hack number 6. Here's a simple microwave trick. Heat a bowl of water with lemon for 3 minutes. The steam will loosen all the dirt and grease so you can just wipe everything clean with almost no effort. Hack number 7. Always dust from top to bottom. If you start from the bottom, dust will fall down and you'll have to clean the same area again. Hack number 8. In the bedroom, always start with the bed. Making your bed instantly makes the entire room look cleaner and more organized. Hack number 9. When it comes to floors, always vacuum first and then mop. If you mop before removing dust and debris, you're just spreading dirt around. Hack number 10. If your trash can smells, add a layer of baking soda at the bottom. It helps absorb odors and keeps everything fresher. Hack number 11. When cleaning the toilet, don't rush. Let the cleaner sit for at least 5 minutes before scrubbing. This makes the process easier and much more effective. Hack number 12. Cleaning becomes much faster when there's less clutter. Always take a few minutes to declutter before you start cleaning. Hack number 13. Microfiber cloths are one of the best tools you can use. They clean better than paper towels and can be reused many times, saving both time and money. Hack number 14. Try using a timer when you clean. Set it for 15 minutes and focus on cleaning as much as you can. This keeps you motivated and makes the process feel easier. Hack number 15. Here's a professional secret. Professional cleaners don't try to clean everything perfectly every time. They focus on high-impact areas that make the biggest visual difference. You don't need hours to have a clean home, you just need the right system. Start with just a few of these hacks today, and you'll see a huge difference. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple cleaning tips that actually work.